Good morning to all. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Dr. RS Mathematics and Geography classes. I have discussed my previous video how to find the nth derivative of the given functions by the different methods, normal methods, partial fraction methods, and we are use the polar form x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Here we are discuss in this video how to find the nth derivative product of the two functions with the help of the Leibniz theorem. This is the most important topic for the exam purpose. 100% sure one question is comes in exams, one or two questions for the 5 or 10 marker. So if you study in class of BTech, BSc and Polytechnic Diploma, this is very beneficial for these classes. You are visit my channel in first time, so like, share and subscribe my channels. I complete your syllabus within times for the classes running my YouTube channel 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, CBSE, ICSE boards and BSc, BTech and Polytechnic Diploma, also MBA classes. If you taking the online live classes, then you note my the WhatsApp number 9719163766 of 2. 9719163766 of 2. If you taking the live online classes, then you write the message my WhatsApp number of this. Okay, I complete the syllabus in minimum fees with the live classes, and my YouTube channel cover the all mathematics syllabus free of cost. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start in this video without waste your times. Leibniz theorem, you are seeing that the word Leibniz theorem for the nth derivative product of two functions. First we discuss what is the Leibniz theorem. Now if u and v are the two functions of x, then you are find the nth derivative of this by the Leibniz theorem, d to the power n dx to the power n u and v, d to the power n dx to the power n u and v. Then write nc0 u n v plus nc1 u n minus 1 and v1 plus nc2 u n minus 2 and v2 plus and so on ncr u n minus r and vr plus and so on ncn u and v of n. This is here u and v are the function of x, then nth derivative of u and v functions d to the power n dx to the power n u and v nc0 u and v. First we find the nth derivative of the one of the any functions, the given function. So u and v are we are find the nth derivative of u, then u and v plus nc1 un minus 1 v1. V1 is the differentiation of the second function with respect to x. We write here all component of this. So where v1 equal to d over dx of v and v2 d2v over dx2 and so on. v1 is the first derivative of v with respect to x, v2 is the second derivative of this with respect to x and so on. And now un equal to d to the power of u dx to the power of n. First we find the differentiation of u with respect to x in n times. Now the second NC0, this is the binomial expansions. You are known about the formula of this NCR factorial n factorial r factorial n minus of r. This is the topic in the inter classes. The binomial expansion है binomial theorem NCR it means आपका C is the represent the combinations. Your selection are things out of the n things. Then formula read of this NCR equal to factorial n upon factorial r factorial n minus of r. We are discussed the value of these NC0 factorial of n factorial of 0 factorial n minus 0. So factorial of n factorial 0 is 1 or factorial of n cancel out of 1. We write the NC0 place of NC0 is 1. So factorial of 0 is also 1, okay, and factorial 1 is also 1. So you are right, NC0, n is the place of n but 0 is the place of r. So factorial n factorial 0 n minus 0 value of this and again NC1 equal to factorial n factorial 1 factorial n minus 1. You are right, the value of this imply that n factorial n minus 1 upon 1 factorial n minus 1 cancel off n. In place of NC1 you are write the value of n. You are known about the factorial of n taking out n of the base n then factorial n minus 1 again n minus 1 out of the factorial then n minus 2 and so on 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial is not defined for the fraction and the negative value. Only the definition of the factorial are defined only the natural number, but exceptional cases this is the define the factorial 0 or factorial 0 is value 1. But definition of the factorial only factorial define only the natural number 1 2 3 4 up to n, but exceptional case factorial 0 is also 1. 0 is not a natural number. Understand all of you? So you are known about the Leibniz theorem. So again we are revision of this. If u and v are the function of x, then you are find the nth derivative of given functions dn or dx to the power u and v nc0 nc u and v plus nc1. We are discussed the all value of the nc0 nc1 nc2 here. So some point are discussed in this. Please make a note. So you are known about of this NC2 of this factorial n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2. You are cancel out of this n minus 2. Factorial is also define the most value is convert in the less value, but less value does not convert in most value. So we are taking out the n then factorial n minus 1 again n minus 1 factorial n minus 2 upon factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 cancel out of this. You are right, n minus 1 upon factorial of 2. In place of NC2 you are write the value of n minus 1 upon factorial 2. Similar process of this NC3 n minus 1 n minus 2 or divide by factorial of 3 and so on. You are right, the all value of NC3 NC4 NC5 and NC6. Most probability some question is going out only the maximum value of NC3. Understand all of you? If you any doubt you are write by the comment box. I discuss your problem in next video. Please make a note. Okay, now discuss of this video. Now we are taking out the some questions of this. Differentiate nth time of the equations. Question of this: differentiate of n times of these. So now we are value of this x square number first, x square y2 plus x square of y2 plus xy1 plus of y equal to 0. First we discuss this function to the n times differentiation. You are seeing that x square by 2 product of the two function, xy1 product of the two function. This is the only single function of y. We are find the nth derivative of this function by the help of the Leibniz theorem. So now discuss these questions. So x square by 2, but condition is that only n times differentiation. 2 times is already differentiate of this function. We are known about of this y2 is also d2y over dx2. d2y over dx2 we write in the form of y2 or imply that of double dash. This is also 2 times differentiation of the any function in given function. Okay, ऐसे ही similar process of y1 is also dy over dx. Okay, we are apply the Leibniz theorem of in these functions. So y Leibniz theorem product of the two function. First we discuss let the given function what is u and what is v. So we are find the u and v separate of the given functions. You are known about here two function x square and y2. U is this function, we are find the nth derivatives, but v is this function, we are find the derivation after term sometimes equal to 0. So y2 differentiation again convert in y3 differentiation is again convert in y4, y5, y6, y7. This is not at a 0. We are find the nth derivative of these functions. But x square differentiation 2x, again differentiation only 2, again differentiation that is 0. Only 2 it means constant value, or constant value differentiation 0. So simple process, this is the u and this is the v. You are known about in the formula में it means क्या, nc0 un and v. Un it means u is those function who we are find the nth derivative. We are not find the nth derivative of x square because first time differentiation of this 2x and second time differentiation of this function 2 and third time differentiation is 0. We are not find the nth derivative of the x square. So this is the v and this is the u. U is the nth derivative, find the any functions. Now so first we apply in this term, after then similar process we are apply the this and this. This is two function. Leibniz theorem is also find the nth derivative product of the two function. So two function x square and y2. This is the first function and this is the second function. Now we let this is the u and this is the v. So applying Leibniz theorem, nc0 un what 2 times is already differentiate. You are known about if you have the 2 points, if you have already 2 points, but I give you 2 is also या 3 is also, then total point is 5. I gave, you have the 2 points, but I gave 3 points, so complete point is, total point is 5. Similar process, this is the 2 times already differentiate. You are differentiate of this function n times, so differentiation is n plus 2 times. Understand? So nc0 x square y n plus 2 write in the form of this. Next plus nc1 differentiation of this x square v1, this is 2x and n plus 2 make one latch. un, next term un minus 1 you are seeing in the Leibniz theorem formula. First term un, second un minus 1, third un minus 3, 2 and so on. 1 is less, so y n plus 1. You are known about n plus 2 minus 1, that is n plus of 1. Similar process nc2, differentiation of x square only 2 and a1 is less yn plus next nc3 but differentiation of 2 is 0 yn minus 1, so this term will be 0. The complete differentiation by the Leibniz theorem of this term, we are not right of this term. Okay, next term 2 differentiation 0, next term will be 0 and other term also will be 0. So we are applying the Leibniz theorem only this term. Again similar process, we are starting the initially x and y, this is also u, this is also b. Similar process of this nc0 x y n plus 1 plus nc1, differentiation of x is 1 or yn. Again next term 1 differentiation is also 0, other term will be 0. I write the bracket and differentiation of y is n times. First time differentiation y is by 1, second time by 2, third time by 3 and fourth time by 4 and so on. Then n times is also y of n. You are right, yn equal to of 0. We are apply the Leibniz theorem in this term. I again repeat of these questions. So let x square y2, here product of the two functions, here product of the two function. So we are select, yeah, we are assume one function is u and second function is v, whose function we are find the nth derivative, that is u, but remaining is v. So x square differentiation we are discuss here. First time is 2x, second time is 2, third time is 0. We are not find the nth derivative of the x square, so this is not u. But y2 again differentiation by 3, by 4, this is not differentiation 0, so we are find the differentiation of this function n times, this is u and this is v. Similar process by the Leibniz theorem, nc0 v1 we as it by n plus 2, because we are Leibniz is also find the n time differentiation, 2 times is already, so total differentiation is n plus 2 times. So by n plus 2 and nc1 differentiation of x square is 2x, 1 is less n plus 2 by n plus 1. फिर nc2 differentiation of 2x is 2, 1 is less by n. Again next term nc3 differentiation of 2 is 0, multiply by 0, this term is completely 0. So next again term is also, all term will be 0. So we are finished the differentiation of this in term of this. Again similar second term x and y1, x and y1, this is u, this is b. Again differentiating of this similar process nc0 x y n plus 1, nc1 differentiation of x 1 y n. Next term 1 differentiation is 0, so next term all will be 0. Only the y1 by y1 y2 by 3, this is the single term, differentiation of yn equal to of 0. We are sort out of this. Here we are discuss nc0, nc0 is 1 into x square y n plus 2 and nc1 is right n or 2x y n plus 1 plus nc2 n minus 1 upon factorial 2 into 2 y n plus second 1 x y n plus 1 plus nc1 n y of n plus y of n, 2 and 2 is cancel out or equal to of 0. If you any doubt of this question, we are solve next, please make a note. If you any problem, you are write by the comment box, your problem is sort out in next video. And I am again request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. So now again value of the by n plus 1 and this is by n plus 1. So x square by n plus 2 plus common out of this by n plus 1 by n plus 1 and x. So 2n plus 1 x by n plus 1. Now again multiply of this plus n square by n minus का n by n and plus n by n plus of का by n equal to 0. Cancel out of this x square by n plus 2 2n plus 1 x by n plus 1 plus this is n square plus 1 and yn equal to 0. This is the answer of this question. Please make a note. Understand all of you? We are applying the Leibniz theorem in a given functions. So please make a note. Now we are discuss the next questions. If y equal to, question is that if y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2, prove that 1 minus x square by n 1 minus x square by n minus 2 n plus 1 minus 2 n plus 1 x plus 1 1 minus x square by n minus 2 n plus 1 n minus 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 and yn equal to of 0. Question is this: y equal to 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by 2, 1 plus x upon 1 minus x whole to the power 1 by 2. Prove that 1 minus x square by n minus 2 n plus 1 x plus 1 by n minus 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 by n minus of 2, ये value of this equal to of 0 by n minus 2 n minus 1 n minus 2 equal to of 0. Here this question solved by seeing the answer of this. Most probability 99% questions is answer is given. We are discuss the question by the answer. So given y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, prove that of this. First we make this question solution of this. First we make this question in product of the two function. Here this is not a product of the two function, this is function in division. So first we change this function in product of two function. After then we are apply the Leibniz theorem. So now y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2, taking log both sides. So log of y 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x minus log of 1 minus x by the property of log m upon n whole to the power x, then x log m minus log of m. This is the property of log. Condition of that y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x whole part 1 by 2. So taking log both sides, log y 1 by 2 power in front of this, but log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus of x. We are differentiating of this function with respect to x, 1 upon y and y1, 1 by 2 differentiation of this 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 upon 1 minus of x, but 1 minus of x, 1 minus again differentiation minus 1, so this is the plus of this. Now solve of this, y1 upon y equal to 1 by 2, LCM of this 1 plus x and 1 minus x. We are right, cross multiply 1 minus x plus 1 plus x of this, cancel out of this, imply that y1 upon y equal to 1 by 2 ऊपर 2 and 1 plus x 1 minus x 1 minus of x square, cancel out of this. If you any doubt in these step of you, the given function of this, we are taking out the log in the given function in both sides, y equal to this, taking a log y 1 upon 2 log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus of x. Now differentiating of this function with respect to x, log y 1 upon y, but differentiation of y is also y1 equal to 1 by 2 log 1 plus x 1 upon 1 plus x 1 minus x 1 minus x, that is minus 1 is also taking out the plus and taking out the LCM sort out of this question. Now value of this questions, y1 1 minus x square, sorry, cross multiply of this y1 equal to this is of y, 1 minus x square y1 equal to of y, you are taking out y of this 1 minus x square y1 minus of y equal to 0. Here you are seeing that 1 minus x square y1, this is the product of the two functions, similar process 1 minus x square and y1. This is only the single function, we are taking out of this function with 1 into y, this is also two functions. So we are change this functions in product of the two function. We are discuss differentiate of the given question in 1 times, but condition is that question is saying that you are find only the yn. Leibniz theorem find the nth derivative, but we are also discuss of this in n 1 times differentiation, so we are taking out of the 1 is less differentiation by the Leibniz theorems. Understand all of you? Now differentiating n minus 1 times y Leibniz theorem, n minus 1 times, this is the v function, this is the also u, and n minus 1 c0 1 minus x square y n minus 1 times value of a also 1 y n minus 1 plus 1, cancel out of this, you write of yn plus n minus 1 c1, differentiation of this function 0 minus 2x, but 1 is less y n minus 1 plus n minus 1 c2, again differentiating of this minus 2, but this is the n minus 2, again n minus 1 c3, but differentiation of minus 2 is 0, so next term all term is 0, so we are not taking out of the next, only of this of minus y n minus 1 times, so y n minus 1 equal to of 0. Understand all of you? First question is saying that only you are find the nth derivative, but we are also find the one time derivative, so this function is 1 times is always derivatives, so we are find the n minus 1 times, then convert the n. Understand all of you? So we are sort out of this n minus 1, this is also same procedure is 1 minus x square yn, but n minus 1 and c1, this is also up n minus 1 and minus 2x and y n minus 1, but this n minus 1 n minus 2 upon factorial 2 into 2 by n minus 2 equal to of 0. Oh, sorry, but third term of this minus by n minus 1 equal to of 0. तो 1 minus x square yn plus minus 2x और n minus 1 y n minus 1 plus cancel out of this n minus 1 n minus 2 y n minus 2 minus y n minus 1 equal to of 0, taking out of the common this and this. So 1 minus x square yn minus only y n minus 1 is taking minus 2 n minus 1 into x plus of 1 y n minus 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 and y n minus 2 equal to of 0. You match this answer of this question. 1 minus x square yn taking out of yn minus 1, 2 n minus 1 right here, x is this, plus 1 is this, minus is out of this. This is the correct answer of this question. Please make a note and check your questions. minus 2, sorry, आपका minus is 2. This is the value of minus, this is the value of minus, only change of this is the minus 2. This is the value of minus 2, cancel out in minus. Okay, let's check your answers. Understand all of you? If you any doubt of this question, you are write by the comment box. I am again request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channels. That's all in this video. We are discuss the next question for the depend upon the Leibniz theorem. Yeah, we are find the nth derivative product of the two function in next video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the complete video.